Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Rrtizan Pressure Washer 1600 PSI, 1.76 GPM Electric Pressure Washer 1500 Watt Cleaner Machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Powerful 1500 watts universal motor generates max 1600 psi water pressure at 1.76 GPM water flow for max cleaning power. Our product does not fabricate false pressure data, and gives customers the most authentic data. It's an ideal pressure cleaning solution to remove dirt for all types of vehicles, boats, RVs, homes, driveways, decks, terraces, siding, sheds, and more. Compared to other interchangeable spray tips, our cleaner all-in-one adjustable nozzle, which contains 0 degrees to 60 degrees spray angle, is easier to control water pressure to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks by adjusting the spray nozzle. And you will not worry about losing the spray tips. The pressure washer features a safe automatic complete stop system, TSS, that automatically shuts down the pump motor when the cleaner is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. And receptacles are available having built-in GFCI protection, which is safer than others. The trigger gun, cable, and hoses can be stored directly on the device, and with the ergonomic handle and 2 big wheels, you can easily carry this pressure cleaner where you need it. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.